Hello, YouTube, with the QO31 running up track number 2. We're still located here at Wilson, and they also have a clear signal across the Wilson and there's Diamond. Yeah, he has on the lead. Lean back, there we go. Oh, that's my hit the Youngs, didn't he? Hey, come on, dude, get off the track. Come on, man.